everyone, today I am going to tell you about HTML, the basic HTML knowledge. HTML is the basic structure of the web page. We have to create HTML in to create web page. So HTML means hypertext markup language to create web page. As you can see in basic of web development HTML, we have to save the file in .html. Here I will show the basic structure of HTML. If I type exclamation mark and enter, I can see the basic structure of HTML. I have saved this file with test.html. To create an HTML file, we have to end with .html. Here you can see as I type exclamation mark and enter, you can see the basic structure of HTML. This is because I have installed some extension in my VS Code. So as I type only exclamation mark and enter, I can see this structure. If you do not if you have not installed that extensions, you have to write everything. So here some extensions to auto generate or auto create such codes. Here you can see doc type HTML means the document type is HTML, and HTML language is English. And in head tag there are opening text and closing text in HTML. Here you can see HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag. Here also see head tag opening, head tag closing. Closing tag has this backslash keyword. Here you can see body opening, body closing with backslash. In HTML opening close, here are head tag and body tag. In head tag you can see here Metachasa UTF-8. UTF-8 means to encode every Unicode character. UTF-8 and UTF-8 can encode every character. So we declare here. And the next one is meta name viewpoint content with device width. This means in lately we are going to create responsive websites. Responsive websites means to fit in any device. In every website, for example phone, laptop, tablet, in every device size we can fit the width and to do not damage the UI. UI mean user interface, that the view of the web page, not to damage the view of the web page, we need to create responsive websites. So this is only declaration of responsive. We need to write responsive codes later, but this is only description and to responsive. Only this we can create responsive. We have to write codes later. And the next one is title. Title means to see, you can see the document is written inside title opening tag and title closing tag. So we can see the document text in the web page, in the head of the web page, in browser tab of the web page. As I run Control S and right click and open with live server, I can run this because I have installed some extension. Open with live server, you can see here document in the tab of the web page. If I change this to title title. You can see here title. This is so title is to see in the tab of the browser. This is head tag, and the next one is body tag. Body tag means the whole body content. We can write every codes, we can add any content inside inside body tag. For example, if I add h1 hello world, so you can see here h1 hello world. H1 means heading 1. There are 6 type of heading: h1, h2, h3, h4 and h5, h6. 6 type of heading in HTML. H1 is the biggest and largest. If I change to h6, you can see very small, right? H3 a little bigger. So h1 is the biggest heading, h6 is the smallest heading. So here many text. For example, if I write a text, sorry, ahref, if I write with ahref and we need to add links, it mean hyperlinks. If we add links inside this HIF, if we click this link, we will go to that link. So a tag is used in anchoring link. Here I have collected some useful HTML tags. HTML head, title, body we describe is h1 and h6, and p means paragraph. We need to add paragraphs inside p tag. A tag mean I described earlier to add links. img means to add image. ul, ol, align, these three are for list. ul mean an order list. An order list mean with cycle, with dash. Order list mean with order of the list. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 a b c d e, like that. List mean to add every list item inside ul and ol. We will describe later about this. Div and spam are to specify the content. We can add every content inside div and spam. Div is a block type and spam is inline type. And these two are very useful, and we will discuss this later. Table, tr, td, thd, 4r. About table, we can create table with this test: table role, table, this is tds, table column, and th is table heading, and form. We can create form, input box and form, and button, clickable button, and to add labels of the input box. Everything this is related with form. And PR means line break. Line break mean to go to the next line. HR mean to underline or to create a line after the content. So these are the basic structure of HTML and the basic and useful HTML text. So thank you very much. These are the basic knowledge of HTML. We will discuss about more deeply and deeply in other videos. Thank you very much.